Hi guys, welcome back to Apple JR channel. In this new year, I will give you a trick to sideload and install IPA files for free without a computer and without Revoked Special for 2025. The first thing you need to prepare is to get iCloud storage on your iDevice. You can subscribe to a cloud or find a free iCloud trial to get more storage. I will provide a link to get free iCloud storage in the description of this video. If you already have iCloud storage, you can back up your data to iCloud so you can unblacklist your device from being revoked. The first thing is to go to Settings, then erase your iPhone or iPad like a new. Before you erase your data, you can back up all your data to iCloud. If your cloud storage is sufficient for backing up, then this method will be easier to reset your device. Only this solution to unblacklist your iPhone or iPad if you can't install IPA files with free certificate without computer or jailbreak. This method works for any iPhone or iPad models, including newest iOS version. So with iCloud storage, you can erase your iDevice. Then you can restore your data to your device without iTunes or computer anymore. After that, wait till your device successfully reset. After you have backed up your data, your device will reset and erase all data, including blacklisted certificate. Then, set up your device from beginning like new. Please finish the setup till you see Restore Data from iCloud section. Log in to your iCloud account. Insert the password. Then choose an iCloud backup. Select that and wait until iCloud is successfully restored. And click Next and Next till you home screen menu. Now, your device has been successfully unblacklisted from Revoked Certificate. Then, try to install eSign to make sure your device still blacklisted or not. So, open CoinVen website. Then install the DNS profile. Then install the profile on Settings, Profile downloaded. Input the passcode and install. After that, open the CoinVen website again. Scroll down and install the assign link that is available on this website. Install all links simultaneously. As you can see, the Revoked Certificate has successfully unblacklisted with this method. Then verify the Assign app on Settings, General, BPON and Device Management, then click Trust. And now, you can open Assign app right now. Next, you have to import the certificate into eSign so you can install the IPA files with eSign. Reopen the CoinVen website, then click Download Certificate. Then open Design, click the three dots above, click Import. Then import the assigned certificate that you downloaded earlier. Unzip the certificate. Then select the certificate you want to import, hit it, and select Import Certificate. And then you can import your IPA files to assign to sideload it to your device. Click three dots again, then import IPA files. After imported IPA files to assign, go to Apps tab. Click App. Now click Signature. Then click App and install. And now you have successfully installed any IPA files on your device without computer and without limits anymore. So this is the only way you can do if you can't install eSign, Scarlet or Feather, and this method can solve the problem of unable to verify or unable to install an app. With iCloud storage, you can reset your data without a computer and unblacklist your device from Revoked Certificates. Okay, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.